let's start. I'm on my PyCharm now. Firstly, let us create an object of any sequential data type. Initially, I'm creating the list. List1 is equals to, let me have some numeric elements. Okay, we have created a list and we also have some repeated elements within this list. But in the output, I want a pure list without any repeated elements, right? That's what the concept of writing a program. So firstly, let us do a true manual method for I and list1. Now I want to count if it is appearing more than once or not. Okay, so for that I'm using the count method. If list of count of I greater than 1, we want it to be any element to be appeared only once, not more than one, right? So then list1 dot remove I. Fine. Now let us print our list. Print list1. I'll run the program now. Yeah, we got 2, 1, 3, 4, 5 which are appearing only once, right? But this can be also be done in a different way by using sets. Okay, let us say set1 is equals to, I'm using set of list1. The reason why I'm using the set method here is the sets never contain any duplicate elements. That is, by converting it into set, it removes all the duplicate elements from our list. Again, you can convert it into list and get it as your output. Okay, list2 is equals to, list of set1. Very simple, right? A simple 4-line program. Print list2. Yeah, this time we got all the elements repeated only once, and also we do not have to use all the for loop, the decision making statements, and we do not have to think anymore, right? This program can be understood even by child. Okay, so this is a program to remove the repeated elements from any sequential data types. You can also create a tuple here, or you can also create a dictionary, but the dictionary elements are removed only if the key and value are same. Okay, so this is a program. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel to learn Python about the basic concepts in a very easy manner. Okay, it's important to learn basics very clearly to get coped with higher concepts. Okay, so thank you. If you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.